hug your mom. And this is not a perfect time for you to tell whatever it is at the back of your head. No, it is now the time to say thank you to her, please. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan muna.